Today's project, we're going to put some glazed wall ceramic tile in this shower unit. And we're about ready to get started here. Thing you want to do is you're going to want to put a line all the way across the bottom and make sure it's level. Looking for the lowest spot in your room so that the tile will come out even with the line. My lowest spot is in the middle, but if you don't do this, you look up here, see how the tile is taller. You start there like that. By the time you get over to the lowest spot, you're going to have a big gap on the bottom. So you want to put your level line all the way in your room and find the lowest spot, and that's where you actually put your line. And you're going to have to trim all of these tile, the first row, in order to get it level all the way around. Otherwise, what happens, if you just start on one row like this, by the time you get around over to this side, it's going to be different. So you have to level a line all the way through the room and then find the lowest spot, and then you're going to have to trim the rest, unless you don't mind a gap underneath the tile. So we're going to get started cutting these up and putting the first row on. You're also going to want to divide up the room and put a line in the center, so on each side you're going to have a smaller piece, so you want them to be even. So you're going to have to center off the room when you start and put a line. Make sure you put a level up here like this so you know that your line's straight. And then you just continue to follow it up and keep an eye on that. My tile wood today is a wet saw. You don't need this expensive of a tool. Your local hardware stores can have a tool that will just score the tile and you snap it off. It's a lot more reasonable. But this is what I'm using today.